Scorpio, hi. This is going to be your reading for November 16 to November 22. I will be looking at your energy, your person's energies, and connections energies in the recent past, in the present, and in the immediate future. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it may not resonate for everybody. If it resonates for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also keep in mind that energies are fluid, so roles can be reversed. So I will be referring to this side as your side, and then the next one will be your persons, and then the right side will be the connections. But feel free to reverse roles or take the side which you resonate best. Okay, let's start. Scorpio, in the recent past, your energy was the Magician. Your person's energy was the Ace of Wands. And for the connection was Three of Pentacles. So in the recent past, someone was manifesting a brand new beginning. A new beginning that has a lot of passion in it. And I feel like in the recent past, you were able to work together. Either that or this connection was needing some work to be put into, maybe to bring in other people, or this could involve other people. Maybe it had involved other people, but let's see later when we clarify. In the current situation, we have the World, the Nine of Swords, and the Tower. So currently you are closing up a very big cycle, and this relationship is being torn down to the ground. So I feel like whatever you are closing up is connected to this relationship. And I see your person having sleepless nights, anxieties, maybe fear. So in the immediate future, we have Eight of Wands, the Death, and the Four of Cups. So something is ending for your person, or something is changing. But either you will be sending out communication, or you will be moving somewhere, traveling somewhere. And for the connection, this could be turned out into a missed opportunity, or one of you or both of you will think that this is a missed opportunity. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the Magician for your energy in the recent past. We have the Eight of Pentacles in reverse, Justice, and Eight of Wands. I feel like you were manifesting something. I feel like what you were manifesting was some sort of balance or justice in a situation where it had stopped growing, or it wasn't the situation wasn't moving, or it wasn't growing because someone had stopped putting work into it. And I feel like in the past you were manifesting some sort of communication or movement to happen in this a movement to happen in this communication, sorry, a movement to happen in this connection. Either that, or you were manifesting some sort of communication because you want justice or you want balance. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Wands for your person's energies in the recent past. We have the Ten of Swords, the King of Swords, and the Seven of Wands. So for your person here, this brand new beginning that they had in the past, or either it was offered to them or they offered it to someone. It was due to them gaining mental clarity about something that had ended painfully for them. And I feel like one of the mental clarity that they had was that they didn't want to give up on it, although it had already ended. I feel like they stood their ground, and I still want this, still want to fight for this. So let's see the Three of Pentacles in the recent past for the connection. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Four of Cups, the Empress. So I feel like in the recent past, you and your person were able to patch things up between you. You have decided to work on this commitment, or this could be a happy home life. This could be marriage or some commitment. It was because I feel like you didn't give up on this connection. You were still holding on to it, and neither your person was. So I feel like there was a communication happened in the past where you decided to work on this. You might have For some of you, you might have brought another person or other people to mediate between the two of you. But yeah, so let's clarify the world in the current situation. We have the Hangman, the King of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. We have the Moon. I feel like a Scorpio. You are currently looking at closing up a cycle in your life, because you were able to look at your person in a different perspective. This could be your person or yourself. You look at things and at yourself in a different perspective that is led by your heart. You know how the Hangman is, that they're upside down, because when they're like this, this is how we usually are. We lead by we look at things from our head, but you were able to look at things from your heart. And I feel like whatever perspective, new perspective you have gained, this has freed you, made you feel freer and happier. I feel like you have there was some sort of awakening happened in you with regards to yourself, to your person, your connection, and the world in general. And because of that, you've attained a happiness, and is able to you are able to close up whatever cycle it was. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords for your person. The Lovers, the Four of Pentacles, and the Nine of Swords. So Nine of Swords clarified by Nine of Swords. Your person might be regretting something. They are stressing about this connection that they have with you. This is a very strong connection that they feel towards you, and it is bringing them a lot of mental anxiety and regret. I feel like you might have turned away from this connection, or you might be holding back, either that, or But whatever it was, this has brought the anxiety towards your person. I see your person being very attached to you, not letting go of this connection, or these strong feelings that they have towards you. And as I said, this is bringing them a lot of stress and anxiety. Double cards. This could be close to mental breakdown. They're overthinking things. Let's clarify the tower for the connection. Okay. We have the Queen of Cups, the Magician, and the Three of Swords. Ooh. So this connection has crumbled to the ground. It didn't have the strong foundation that it should have. But of course, it brought a lot of pain for the both of you. But I feel like one of you, or both of you, but I see this as could be both of you, but I see this as you too. But yeah, I think this is a mutual love that you have for each other. So in spite of everything that had happened in the past, you still have a love for each other. And I feel like one of you have manifested this change, although they know that this will bring a lot of pain. But this person has manifested it because they know that it can't go on. It can't grow on a weak foundation. And I kind of see that as you. But you know better. So let's see the Eight of Wands in the immediate future for your energies. We have the Two of Wands, the Devil, and the Ten of Wands. So I see communication happening in the immediate future. Either a communication or some sort of movement, because someone is waiting for it to happen or expecting it to happen. And there is some kind of deceptive energy into this. But I feel like if this is you, since this is your energies, I feel like you feel justified by whatever happened, because there was a lot of you were very burdened by this connection. I feel like you are expecting some kind of change to happen, something to move, and You're waiting for it, planning for it, strategizing maybe how you would act on it when it arrives. Okay, so let's clarify the death for your person. This could be your energy. You could be your energy could be all over in your persons, or this might be something that will be ending for your person. The High Priestess, the Four of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. Chariot. I feel like for your person, to them this is something that has ended already. This connection or that they have with you. But I feel like their intuition is telling them that they still want to work on this commitment. They still see you as their happy home life, their stability, they still want to have some sort of celebration or reunion with you, because that's what their intuition is will be telling them. Please keep in mind that this is just the immediate future. This is not the future or the end, you know. So in the immediate future, this is what's going to be available, the energies that will be available for your person. And I feel like they think that this is something that is lost. So let's clarify the Four of Cups for the connection. We have the Hermit, the Emperor, and the Queen of Wands. So one of you will be one of you, or the both of you, but one of you will be isolating themselves to search within them for some answers regarding this missed opportunity, this connection that is because one of you will feel like it was a it will be a missed opportunity, but they do want to take control of the situation. I feel like once this person come out of the hermit mode, or the answers that they will find within themselves is that it will be guiding them to take control of the situation, and that they do want to come to you. They will want to come to you and get you, because the Queen of Wands is someone who gets what they want. And I feel like they see you as the same. They see you as someone who is confident and warm. And I feel like you both feel a strong passion for each other. So I see your person turning this wanting to turn this missed opportunity around and make an offer or come come towards you at least. So let's pull an angel advice for you. Okay, we have your angel advice is control. This is like I think this is a strength, the major arcana strength in Rider Waite. So I feel like the advice for you is to be strong and to take control. Let's get you an angel message. And be courageous, I guess. I mean, if you have manifested this tower moment here, if you are manifesting this tower moment here, so that change can come about, so you can rebuild from the ground up again. I feel that that's really very strong and courageous for you, because you did it even though you know that it will hurt you. It will hurt the both of you, and you took a great risk here, and that's really very admirable. So from Archangel Gabriel, you have an important life purpose involving communication and the arts. Please don't allow insecurities to hold you back. I will help you. So, Scorpio, that was your reading. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye.